Welcome to my channel PCB Ready. In this video, we are going to discuss how to build the 2-watt audio power amplifier using IC LM380. It is a very convenient and universal audio power amplifier. The circuit schematic of 2 watts audio power amplifier using IC LM380 is given here. You see, this LM380 IC number 14 is the power supply connector unit. DC input is given to H1 pin 1 and it goes to pin number 4 via 2.2 ohm resistor. The IC operates between 10 volt to 18 volt. You can use between 10 volt and 18 volt easily. So the 2.2 ohm resistor is decoupled filtered by 470 above the electrolytic capacitor. The audio input signal is given through the pins H2. The pin 1, the audio signal is coupled to the volume control R1 through C1, that is 0.1 mm of the capacitor. It is fed to the pin number 2. The output is taken at the pin number 8 and coupled through a loudspeaker through 470 mm of the electrolytic capacitor. It is very convenient and easy to assemble. The parts list required for this amplifier are IC LM380 is a 14-pin IC. 4-pin ICs are also available, but I have used 14-pin LM380. Only 2 resistors are required. One is volume control of 10K, another is 2.2 ohm resistor. Only 3 capacitors. The coupling capacitor of C1 is 0.1 mmFD and the C2 and C3 are the filter and coupling capacitors of the value 470 mmFD of 25 volt capacity. For the sound output, we require a loudspeaker of 8 ohms and 4 watts capacity. You can procure it from the local market easily. The speciality of the circuit is this is universal audio power amplifier with a high gain circuit and low cost because only fewer components are used. IC LM380 is configured here for one channel only. If you want a stereo audio amplifier, you can duplicate the circuit, the same set of IC for stereo adoption. It can be used for any general purpose audio power amplifiers and is very tiny circuit. I have given the ready-made PCB design. It is being simplified to build the audio power amplifier for the audio project. Input, as I described earlier, input signal is given to the H1 pins and fed to volume control R1 through C1. Output can be taken from H3. You can connect 8 ohms 4 watts loudspeaker for 2 watts power output. Power supply is given 10 to 18 volts, which may be compatible with most high power audio amplifiers. One can get the best signal to noise ratio pickup from the most input audio signals. The PCB full view is given here. You can go through the PCB setup. The copper track of the PCB is given in this PCB design. You can very well go and assemble the circuit in this very tiny PCB. Thank you for watching. Please click like, share with others and subscribe. Thank you very much.